Hey guys, Thomas President here, and today we are reviewing Super Mario Set in a box. I already have all my boxes. I have the Mario right here. If you look, it's really creepy. Watch. See, you can just play. If you keep jumping a lot of times, see, it just gets some coins. So I think the Mario Set still the Mario app is still installing. So I'll unbox it and show you guys. Sorry guys about the bang. It's right here. It's head of the wall. So this set comes with 6 bags, and this you don't get the instruction. You have to install the app. See, it'll show you how to play. So when here, let's build. Mario, you're gonna have your playset. Ready? Alright, you guys, I have the Super Mario set. Now, you have Mario on it. Watch. He's still on, I promise you. So now all we gotta do is connect it to Bluetooth. Okay. I was born. Alright. We're going. My birthday was yesterday, so. 4. Confirm. Okay. Alright. So you already saw it. Enable. I'll have to skip. Alright. Alright, let me just connect the Bluetooth. You heard it. Now Mario's connected, alright? Alright. Alright, it's connecting. Okay, it needs an update. Alright. I'll have to delete a clip so you don't have to wait for all that. So it'll be done when the clip is over. Alright, let's do this. Alright. Oh. My Mario just turned off. Hold on. Alright, you heard him. You should heard him. Now, they might get a Luigi in 2021. I don't know. Let's go. Give it a chance. Alright. Now, I think you go to oh, wait. Press it. Alright, show us how to play as the Goomba. Let me stop the instructions. I'll start showing you in real life when I got the camera on. So I'll see you guys. Alright, I finished the starter set. Alright. See right here, there are 2. You can just bounce it right here. You tap on the Goomba and get some coins. And there's another way, there's a shortcut right there. You want to go that way. Or there's another shortcut. You can turn right here and go to the lava. See, there's one right there. Or you can just go away and get your block in the Bowser Jr. and then go right there. Alright, let's test it. Alright. Wait. Alright. 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 Alright, this is gonna be tricky. Alright. What's it? There we go. Alright. There you go. Yeah. So I just got 16 coins. Yep. Now this Mario can take 2 AAA batteries. And yeah. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, don't forget, I didn't get the cloud right here. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Bye.